Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now, identify your baseline and set a clear daily target, for example 30 to 60 minutes more than usual. Once you pick a primary device, enable built-in tracking so you measure progress. Make sure to remove friction, place the device where you can reach it, open the apps you'll use, and schedule 2 short anchor sessions. This combination of goal, tracking, and immediate accessibility creates momentum and removes excuses, so you convert intention into action within the first hour. You build habit by structuring time. Batch similar tasks into predictable blocks, such as streaming, browsing, and social interactions. Once done with a block, use short breaks to reset and then resume. Timers and targeted notifications act as reliable cues to return to the screen. Make content easy to consume by creating playlists, saved cues, or curated feeds, and prioritize autoplay or next-up features. This reduces decision fatigue and steadily increases total screen minutes. You complete the increase with a daily review and adjustments. Compare your target to actual screen time, then tweak the next day's plan. If you hit resistance, shorten individual sessions but add more repeats. This keeps total time rising without overload. If fatigue or eye strain emerges, lower brightness, enable a blue light filter, and insert micro breaks with focused breathing. If tracking fails, re-enable permissions or switch apps. This troubleshooting keeps momentum and prevents small problems from derailing progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.